Hello, hello everyone. I hope you're doing great today. We are creating scratch art today. Now, you may have purchased pre-made scratch art sheets, which is great, but if you don't have those, we're going to be creating our own. And the way that you're going to do that is by using crayons first. So you're going to color your whole entire sheet with crayon. And what you want to do is have the colors pretty random, but you want them to be nice and solid so you don't see white paper underneath it. All right?
No gas.
Okay, I don't know about you, but my hand is really tired. But we're not done yet. Now we're going to take oil pastels and we're going to cover it in just one color. So pick a dark color that is not in your background. I'm going to use black because I feel like black turns out the coolest. And I'm just gonna go over my whole thing. You're probably like, why are we covering our entire thing we worked so hard on with black oil pastels?
I know why.
Why?
Because when you scratch it, rainbow patterns come in.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Now you don't have to use black. You can use any other dark color if you'd like. Alright, now that it is covered in black, we can take a toothpick and start scratching out a design. So what are you gonna draw, Peanut?
I don't know yet.
I don't know either.
I know what I'm going to draw, a mermaid.
Ooh, I like that idea. Let's go with an underwater scene. I'm so excited. This is going to turn out so cool. If you find that a toothpick doesn't remove as much as you'd like, you can try different things like your fingernail. You can use a fork, anything that you can scrape away with.
Like a pencil?
Mm-hmm. Even using the side of the toothpick instead of the tip of it can help take a lot more off. If you find that you can't really see your drawing, it might be because you need to go over it some more with your dark oil pastel, or just remove extra. And there you have it, you guys. This is a really super fun project, and the things that you can draw are really limitless. You can come up with essentially anything that you want to create using scratch art, and it's so super fun and so super messy, which makes it so much more fun, right? So you have to make sure to cover your tables with some newspaper or something. But I hope you guys had fun, and be sure to take us as always on social media at our Facebook pages, The Rustic Orchid on Facebook and Wild Free and Crafty. Also hashtag Wild Free and Crafty to tag us in your artwork. We love seeing what you guys create, and we hope you are enjoying our lessons. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!